Once a farmer lost his precious watch while working in his barn. It may have appeared as an ordinary watch to others but held a deep sentimental value. After searching high and low among the hay for a long time, the old farmer got exhausted. However, the tired farmer did not want to give up the search for his watch and requested a group of children playing outside the barn to help. He promised an attractive reward for the person who could find his beloved watch. After hearing about the reward, the children hurried inside the barn and went around the entire stack of hay to find the watch. After a long time of looking for a watch in the hay, some of the children got tired and gave up. The number of children looking for the watch slowly decreased, and only a few tired children were left. The farmer gave up his hope of finding his watch and called off the search. When the farmer was closing the door, a Zen monk came up to him and requested the farmer give him a chance. The farmer did not want to miss any chance of finding the watch, so he left the Zen monk in the barn. After a little while, the Zen monk came out with the watch in his hand. The farmer was happily surprised and asked how the Zen monk succeeded in getting the watch while everyone, including him, had failed. The monk replied, "I just sat there trying to listen to the watch's ticking." In silence, it was much easier to listen to it and direct the search toward the sound. The farmer was delighted to get the watch and rewarded the Zen monk as promised. So what we learn from the story is, a calm mind can think better than a worked-up mind. When we're stressed or anxious, it's hard to think clearly. We can't focus and we make mistakes. But when we're calm and relaxed, we can think more clearly and make better decisions. Sometimes all we need to do is relax and listen. In the story, the Zen monk was able to find the watch by simply sitting down and listening for the ticking sound. He didn't need to search frantically or worry about anything. He just needed to be calm and focused. If you learned something valuable from this story, do like, subscribe and comment on the video.